Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rodney from Maternex Church Mount. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kenneth from Vision Group.
Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is from BOK. Hi, everyone. I'm Godwin Kato. BOK.
Hi team, Dr. Paul is my name from the East Africa Federal University.
Hi everyone, I'm called Anthony, Team BOK.
Good evening everyone, Orlando Jones is my name. I'm the head of brand from Next Media, representing Next Radio, plus Afro Mobile.
Thank you very, very much for the brand. And this year's this edition is actually, the expectations are much higher than initially expected, right? Why is Next Media part of this journey? What is the story behind why you want to be part of this journey?
The best in Kampala, it's going to be the best in Uganda because the streaming platform is international. So not only people in Kampala and Uganda going to know about this, but the whole world at large. So putting all these brands together, it's a pleasure. Me sitting right here next to you, representing Big Hits and Afro Mobile because the future is now. Cheers.
If I get you right, this event is going to be
Branch. It's going to be one of the kind branch that you have not seen before. You can tell right from the press up, so you know what to expect about this branch. I will not go much into details. I will have to stop here.
And I just call upon everybody, wherever you are, if you get an advert and it's BOK apparent, I mean, look no further. That's the thing. Mr. Aboki, Mr. Visionary.
Yeah,
you just got an endorsement from an investor, preaching the gospel from an external perspective. Why did you start this journey? What's in it for you? Why are you doing this? You could have been doing many other things. I know you as an engineer, not as a practical guy. So what made you cause that shift?
We do subscribe to our Mark II school of thought. If it's not the best, then don't do it. If it's not the best, you cannot do it. And so we are for the best. He talked about what has really inspired and pushed us to do this. It's because we feel Kampala is nightlife capital of East Africa. We need to put it out there by throwing the best parties in the region. And yeah, Best of Kampala is willing to take the lead, and we are taking the lead. Yeah, together with the partners, stakeholders, our investors like Dr. Paul from the East Africa Business Summit, yeah, team. Yeah, so we can only imagine that Best of Kampala will go on to greater heights. Otherwise, glad to have everyone. We're still here. We're not yet high. We're still having our conversation. Yeah, you'll hear a lot from us. So I'll pass on the mic to James, my business partner.
The outside, Godwin just opened the outside. You can check out the black and dog, green and black, right? This is an event that happens in Dubai, Chicago, in the night. But all I can say is this is one you don't want to miss out, right? You're going to pay 150,000 at the gate, but you get it 300K worth of an experience. That's something you can't pay the price of. You're paying 6 million for a bunny, 10 million advantage of that. And guys, I'm telling you this, I've seen what ATX has in store. All the artists are coming. We're going to add a bunch of surprise acts on there. This is something you don't want to miss out on. So, yeah, man, go out there, get your tickets. Because it's going to be a blast. That's all I have.
Let's hear from our partners. They are the reasons why this event is coming to life. Why did you choose to join this brand? Why did you choose to be part of this journey?
Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, once again. My name is Kenneth from Vision Group. And we're glad to be part of this branch, this experience. We reached out to Godwin because we knew there's no party in this town like the one Godwin throws, and Vision Group is known for having one of the best parties in town. We have
set out, so if you come late in the night, your drip may get lost and people may not really see you in that my drip. The second question was, why are we so much into piano alone? I think you will notice that this year we've sort of changed from that trend. We've had STC, who is hip-hop. We've had a couple of other artists, like now we have Simi, who's got nothing to do with our piano. We have, it's a surprise act, haven't put up a surprise. Yeah, yes, we are trying to.
But now my question is, you guys, the tickets was already on the market. Secondly, do you have any plan of advertising on other long medias? And so, regard, there are some people who are already used to be part of the all-white branch fair, but whatever meeting they will come to your status and so. Is there any means of advertisement on the local channels? It's all gone. So that is it.
You just plug.
Okay, thanks for the question. I'll take the second. Next Media is a conglomerate of 13 brands, and amongst those 13, we have a channel called Sadika. It's for the mass, and it's really catered for. So when we come in as Next Radio and Afro Mobile, we come in with a whole conglomerate. So it's spread across all platforms, on social media, plus TV, radio, name it. For the second,
Thank you.
then we shall continue.
Hello everyone, I go by the name of BOK. I'm going to talk about all white branch happening on 26th of November. Venue is Garden City.
Black bolted banner, water.
It's branch, it's all white, just it's white, strictly white, it's all white branch, and then it's a mixture of
those are the sponsors. Let's give a round of applause for them, please. Come on. A round of applause.
Like Philly,
Don't worry,
Liverpool, we have Irish Times, we have
once again, my name is
South Africa, we also have our host like Islam, we also have another house called Shan.
Are you guys ready?
We also have Abeka Band. The DJs from Uganda, we have Edwizi, we have DJ, we have DJ Denzel.
So, DJ,
what is so unique about this year's edition of Best of Kampala that wasn't there last year?
This year's Best of Kampala is the daytime campaign. It's happening from 10 a.m. in the morning up to 9 p.m. It's brunch. And it's white. And then we also have the Guinness record holder here, the back coming to cook a special meal, five different meals for you guys on that day. So make sure you come. Normal branch ticket is going for 150,000, and then we also have Golden Circle going for 3.6 million. Then we have the banners going for
all right. Ladies and gents, I hope you guys are excited. King Promise is coming to Uganda.
The Best of Kampala. I'm Godwin Kato, the team leader of Best of Kampala. The Kampala pop-up beach. The man in your toilet South Africa babayise Major League DJs tunayo ba DJ bafaba wano era abatero kikuba wano nga selector je nga Edwizi selector ba DJ bana Uganda waliwo n'omwala bamuyita DJ naye wamanyi no ne DJ Dash era muze mbawulira ne DJ Tennis baddewo leero ne DJ Denzel akola ne apantini tulina ba DJ bangi beterese ogenda kuba abantu n'abambadde white yakwambala white leero mutulabye fena twambadde masuuti abalala bambadde masamasa buli mugenda kubanga buli omu ali mu white era mugula engoye ezo za white kigenda kuba kikaamu.
So pop-up beach yali yaba DJ kiki mwalabye ekyamisingamu this time around nga mugattemu abayimbi vibe yali ntono?
Ekiri okuba kyali kya kiro nga sipate tandika misana, so twali tulina okozesa aba DJ bangi naye kino bakitandika misana abantu baba tebana bakutamirira baba bagala balabe abayimbi nga bayimba bya branch zino pata zimezitera okubeera misana
genda tandika misana paka gyekituusereza
genda tandika misana paka sawa mukaaga naye abayimba abasinga amaanyi bagenda munakuyimba so ekino just tugenda kikuba just kati
saite zogamba ine ekibuuzo
lwaki ennaku zino lwaki this time round sikyala nnaku bbiri ekibuuzo
lwokuba lunaku lwa sande ate ombuzeza lwaki sinaku bbiri ate abantu eno kwambala tusaakubambaza twalabika tusaakubambaza white zikakubigala olunaku ate twagala basipebinyo sente kubanga abaana nga bo balaba bawala bagala so twagala ja sente bazikyakalemu ne bapate
kigenda beerawo okuyingira sente meka booking abaagala
okuyingira saawa zino tiketi ziri mitwalo 10 naye olwo olunaku kubanga twagala abantu bajje nga tezinabatuuka saawa nga budde bukyali tutaddewo paketi ojja ng'esaawa 6 ez'emisana tezinabatuuka ojja sasula mitwalo 10 naye bw'ojja saawa 6 ez'emisana nga zibiseewo ojja kusasula mitwalo 10 so ekyo tukikoze twagala abantu bajje mangu olw'obimanyi ebyabannayuganda balwawo naye kati twagala tukubateekamu embeera culture
CBS FM.